Imagine a bustling city teeming with diverse inhabitants, each performing their unique roles. Now imagine this city within you. This isn't a work of science fiction. It's the vibrant reality of your microbiome, a complex ecosystem that thrives within your body. Yes, you heard it right. Inside our bodies there exists an unseen universe, a metropolis of microscopic life forms. We're talking about bacteria, those tiny single-celled organisms that are often associated with diseases. But here's a surprising fact: not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, most of them are benign, and some are even essential for our well-being. You see, each of us is a walking, talking habitat for a multitude of bacteria. They reside everywhere, on our skin, in our mouths, and most abundantly, in our intestines. They are so numerous that they outnumber our own cells. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But it's true. These bacteria are not just passive residents. They are active participants in our lives. They help us digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even bolster our immune systems. In return, we provide them with a safe and nourishing home. It's a symbiotic relationship, a partnership that has evolved over millions of years. But the microbiome isn't just about bacteria. It also includes viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms. Together, they form a rich tapestry of life that is as diverse as a tropical rainforest. Each person's microbiome is unique, a reflection of their genetics, diet, environment, and even their history of antibiotic use. So why should we care about these tiny, unseen inhabitants? Because they can influence our health in profound ways. Scientists are now discovering that an imbalanced microbiome can contribute to a host of health issues, from digestive disorders to mental health conditions. This unseen universe within us, the microbiome, plays a vital role in our life. It's a world we're only beginning to explore, and its mysteries are just waiting to be unraveled. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. The term microbiome might sound alien, but it's closer to home than you might think. The microbiome refers to the community of trillions of microorganisms, predominantly bacteria, that reside within us. These microscopic inhabitants set up camp in various parts of our body, from our skin to our gut, creating a complex, interconnected ecosystem. Now you might be thinking, bacteria, aren't those harmful? Well, while some bacteria can cause disease, the majority of bacteria within our microbiome are not just benign, they're essential. They play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. How so, you ask? For starters, they aid in digestion by breaking down food components that our bodies can't handle alone. Imagine having a personal team of chefs working around the clock to ensure you get the most out of your meals. But these microscopic chefs don't stop there. They also produce essential vitamins such as vitamin K and certain B vitamins. Without these bacteria, we wouldn't be able to get these nutrients, no matter how balanced our diet is. And that's not all. Our microbiome also plays a vital role in our immune system. These bacteria are involved in the development and function of our immune cells. They're like our body's personal trainers, helping our immune system stay fit and ready to fend off harmful pathogens. Moreover, an imbalance in our microbiome can lead to health issues. Studies have shown that certain conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and even mental health disorders can be associated with a disrupted microbiome. It's like a delicate dance where the balance of the microbiome can influence our health, and our health can in turn affect the balance of our microbiome. So you see, our microbiome is like a bustling city within us, filled with trillions of microscopic inhabitants, each playing their part in maintaining our overall health. They're not just passengers in our bodies, they're partners in our health journey. In essence, our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our microbiome. If diversity is the spice of life, our bodies are a veritable spice market. Just think about it. Trillions of bacteria, belonging to thousands of different species, all coexisting within us. This is the world of microbial diversity that thrives inside our bodies. In this bustling marketplace of microbes, every single bacterium has a role to play. Some are involved in digestion, breaking down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can use. Others are busy producing vitamins like vitamin K and certain B vitamins, which are essential for our health. But it doesn't stop there. Some bacteria are like peacekeepers, maintaining order and balance in this diverse community. They keep the numbers of harmful bacteria in check, preventing them from taking over and causing illness. And then, there are the bacteria that are part of our defense system. They are like the security guards of our bodies, working with our immune system to guard against foreign invaders. This microbial diversity is not just about numbers, but also about the variety. Each type of bacterium has its own unique set of skills and functions. Like a well-oiled machine, they all work together to keep our bodies running smoothly. But what's truly amazing is that the types of bacteria in our bodies can vary greatly from person to person, and even from one part of the body to another. The bacteria in our gut, for example, are different from those on our skin or in our mouth. Each part of our body provides a different habitat, attracting a unique set of bacterial inhabitants. So, the next time you think about your body, remember the bustling marketplace of microbes within you. Remember the trillions of bacteria, each with a crucial role to play in your health. In the grand scheme of things, we are more than just human. We are a walking, talking ecosystem, a world teeming with microbial life. This incredible diversity of bacteria helps keep us healthy, each playing its part in the grand scheme of our well-being. In the battle of numbers, microbes have us beat. Let's delve into this a bit more. Imagine, if you will, that your body is a bustling metropolis. Now, for every human citizen, that's a cell in your body, there are 1 to 10 microbial inhabitants. Yes, you heard right. The ratio of microbial cells to human cells is staggering, ranging from 1 to 1 to 10 to 1. This means that for every cell that makes you who you are, there's at least 1, if not 10 microbial cells hitching a ride. These microscopic critters are not just passive passengers, though. They're active participants in the daily operations of the city that is your body. Now you may be wondering, how can this be? Well, microbial cells are much smaller than human cells, so despite their overwhelming numbers, they only make up about 1 to 3% of our body's total mass. That's about the weight of your brain. The majority of these microbial citizens reside in our gut, specifically our large intestine. This bustling microbial metropolis, known as the gut microbiota, is home to trillions of bacteria. There, they help us digest food, produce essential vitamins, and even train our immune system. But it doesn't stop there. Our skin, mouth, lungs, and other body parts also host their own unique microbial communities, each with its own distinct population and function, contributing to our health and well-being in ways we're still uncovering. Now here's a mind-bending thought. If you consider the total number of genes in our microbiome, that number outdoes our human genome by a factor of at least 100 to 1. That's right, the genetic material of our microbes greatly surpasses our own. So what does this mean? Well, it underscores just how integral these microscopic citizens are to our survival and well-being. We are, in essence, superorganisms, a blend of human and microbial traits. Indeed, we are more microbial than human. So next time you look in the mirror, remember you're looking at a beautifully complex, predominantly microbial superorganism. Our gut is not just a food processing unit, it's a powerhouse of microbial activity. Picture a bustling metropolis filled with millions of inhabitants, each with a specific job to do. This is the reality of your gut microbiome, a complex community of trillions of bacteria and other microbes. These tiny workers have a tremendous influence on our overall health, well beyond digestion. They're like the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly round the clock. But what exactly do they do? Let's delve into the 3 key aspects: digestion, immunity, and mental health. Firstly, digestion. Our body, on its own, can't break down all the foods we eat. That's where our microbial residents come in. They help us digest complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, converting them into simpler substances that our body can absorb. Additionally, they produce essential vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins that our body cannot produce on its own. Secondly, immunity. Yes, you heard it right. These microbes play a crucial role in training our immune system, teaching it to distinguish between friendly and harmful invaders. They help maintain the delicate balance of our immune response, ensuring it's neither too weak to fight off infections nor too strong to cause inflammation. Lastly, mental health. Recent research suggests a fascinating connection between our gut and brain, often termed as the gut-brain axis. Our gut microbes can produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that our brain cells use to communicate. They can influence our mood, anxiety levels, and even cognitive functions. The gut microbiome is like an intricate symphony, with each microbe playing its unique part to create a harmonious melody of health. However, this harmony can be disrupted by factors like poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep, leading to what's known as dysbiosis, a state of microbial imbalance. Dysbiosis can lead to a whole host of health problems, from digestive issues to weakened immunity, and even mental health disorders. Therefore, maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is crucial for our overall well-being. The gut microbiome, it appears, holds the reins to our health. So let's delve into how we can take care of this hidden powerhouse in the upcoming scenes. Our microbiome is not a static entity, it's constantly in flux. Just as the world around us is ever-changing, so too is the world within us. Our daily habits and lifestyle choices play a significant role in shaping the landscape of our microbiome. Imagine your body as a diverse ecosystem similar to a forest or a coral reef. Just as these environments are influenced by external factors like climate, our internal ecosystem, our microbiome, is influenced by our diet, lifestyle, and even our environment. What we choose to eat can significantly affect our bacterial population. The saying, "You are what you eat," holds true even for our tiny tenants. A diet rich in fiber, for instance, provides nourishment for beneficial bacteria, encouraging them to thrive. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods can tip the scales in favor of harmful bacteria, disrupting the delicate balance. But it's not just our diet that influences our bacterial population. Our lifestyle choices, such as exercise and sleep, also play a part. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can enhance the diversity of our microbiome, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Likewise, a good night's sleep can help maintain a balanced and healthy microbiome. Even our environment can impact our microbiome. For instance, living in an urban or rural area, our exposure to pets and even the season can influence the composition of our bacterial population. In essence, our microbiome is a dynamic and ever-changing entity, constantly evolving in response to our choices and surroundings. It's like a mirror, reflecting our habits and lifestyle back to us. And just as we can shape our external world through our choices, we can also shape our internal world, our microbiome. But why does this matter? Well, a balanced and diverse microbiome is essential for our health. It aids in digestion, supports our immune system, and even influences our mood. So our everyday choices, from what we eat to how we live, can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. Our everyday choices, it turns out, shape the landscape of our microbiome. In the quest for health, we have allies in unexpected forms, probiotics. As we delve deeper into our exploration of the human microbiome, let's turn our attention to these little helpers. Probiotics, which literally means for life, are living microorganisms that, when taken in adequate amounts, can confer health benefits to their host. That's us. Now, where do these probiotics come from? They're naturally occurring in certain fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi, but they can also be taken as dietary supplements. They are not a new phenomenon. In fact, humans have been consuming fermented foods rich in probiotics for thousands of years without even knowing it. So what makes these probiotics so special? Well, they have a significant impact on our microbiome. They help to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, aid digestion, and boost our immune system. They can even influence our mood and mental health, all by replenishing our gut with beneficial bacteria. But not all probiotics are created equal. There are many different types or strains, each with their unique benefits. Some probiotics are great for improving digestion, others for boosting the immune system, and some even have a positive impact on mental health. The key is finding the right type to suit your individual needs. Recent research has shown that probiotics can also play a role in managing certain health conditions. They have been used to treat conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and certain skin conditions. Even more exciting is the emerging research suggesting that probiotics could potentially be used in the treatment and prevention of more serious diseases, including heart disease and cancer. However, it's important to remember that while probiotics can offer many health benefits, they are not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are still the cornerstones of good health. So how can you incorporate more probiotics into your life? Start by incorporating more fermented foods into your diet, or consider a probiotic supplement. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary supplement. Probiotics, hence, are a key to unlocking a healthier microbiome. They are our allies in the quest for health, helping us to maintain a balanced and thriving community of beneficial bacteria. So here's to our microscopic friends, the probiotics. The link between our gut and our brain is more profound than we ever imagined. Picture this: your gut, home to trillions of bacteria, is having a direct conversation with your brain. Yes, you heard it right. This connection is what we call the gut-brain axis. Now, what's so interesting about this gut-brain axis? Well, it's a two-way communication highway where your gut microbes and your brain are in constant dialogue. It's like a secret language that they share, influencing not just your digestion, but your mood, your mental state, and your overall well-being. How does this work, you ask? The gut-brain axis is a complex system involving various pathways. These include the vagus nerve, a direct line of communication between the gut and the brain, and the immune system, which communicates the state of the gut to the brain. There's also the endocrine system, where hormones and other chemicals produced by gut bacteria can affect the brain. Research has shown that changes in the gut microbiome can impact the brain's functioning. For instance, certain species of bacteria can produce neurotransmitters, the body's chemical messengers. These neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine, play a crucial role in regulating our mood and emotions. The implications of this are vast. Could an imbalance in our gut bacteria be contributing to mental health issues like depression or anxiety? Could we potentially treat these conditions by altering the gut microbiome? These are the questions that scientists are currently grappling with. The gut-brain axis is also thought to play a role in neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Studies have found that individuals with these conditions often have different gut bacteria compared to healthy individuals. While it's too early to draw definitive conclusions, these findings have opened up new avenues for research and potential treatment strategies. The gut-brain axis, a fascinating frontier in science, may hold answers to questions about mental health. As we uncover more about this intricate relationship, we get one step closer to understanding the profound impact our gut microbiome has on our health and well-being. Maintaining a healthy microbiome is not just a goal, it's a continuous journey. Imagine nurturing an unseen universe within you, a world teeming with billions of beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion, support your immune system, and even influence your mood. How do we do this, you might ask? The answer lies in a balanced diet and lifestyle choices. A diet rich in diverse, fiber-filled foods is key. These foods serve as prebiotics, nourishing our friendly bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha can also introduce beneficial bacteria into our system. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it's also the spice of a healthy microbiome. But it's not all about diet. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management also play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy microbiome. After all, our bacteria mirror our lifestyle. So let's commit to nurturing our microbiome, because when we take care of our bacteria, we take care of our health. To nurture our microbiome is to nurture ourselves. The unseen universe within us is a testament to life's complexity and diversity. We've journeyed through the intricate world of the microbiome, unveiling the trillions of bacteria that call our bodies home. We've discovered their astonishing diversity, their dominance over our own cells, and their pivotal role in our health and well-being. From the gut, our powerhouse of microbial activity, to the surprising presence of microbes in unlikely places, we've seen how our microbial inhabitants shape our lives in ways we're only beginning to understand. We've delved into the dynamic nature of our bacterial population, the role of beneficial bacteria, and the intriguing connection between our microbiome and our brain. We've also learned about the importance of nurturing a healthy microbiome through diet, lifestyle, and even probiotics. Remember, to understand our microbiome is to understand a vital part of ourselves. Share your thoughts and join the discussion about the microbiome.